How to verify X account and age. So in order to verify this, what you can do is you first need to head over right here into your X account and make sure you're signed in. Click right here into your profile icon, and once you have opened this sidebar, head over and click onto the settings and privacy. From in there, you can find in here all of these options. What we can do is we can click onto this security and account access. Click on security right here, and then you can find your ID verification. With this, you can upload an approved form of identification to confirm the authenticity of your account. So head over and click on this. Now, as you can see, it requires us to have a premium subscription. So what we can do is we can head back to the main menu of our settings. Then you can find right here the premium option. Proceed to click on this. You can see in here the actual subscription of premium. And as you have noticed, under the verification and security, it allows it under the premium part. So just proceed and subscribe. Once you have subscribed, head back to security, and on the ID verification, just input right here your ID file. And with this, you can now verify your account as well as your age, since your ID will also have your birth date. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.